everyone, my name's Megan, this is Erin, and this is Michelle, and we're your program coordinators with the Saskatoon Industry-Education Council, and we're here to tell you all about our events coming up in November.
In November, we will host our Spotlight on Careers event, exploring careers in manufacturing and mining. Join us on Monday, November 22nd to kick off Saskatchewan Manufacturing Week with our virtual scavenger hunt, so students can participate online and tour through a manufacturing facility right here in Saskatoon and have the opportunity to win some fun prizes. On Thursday, November 25th, we will host our virtual Spotlight on Mining Career Pathways panel. We'll have representatives from the Saskatchewan Mining Association, Women in Mining, Women in Nuclear, as well as professionals from the mining industry who will share their careers with you. And if you want to learn more about careers in manufacturing and mining, be sure to check out our website for our virtual resources, like our Spotlight on Manufacturing video series, interviews with industry professionals, as well as post-secondary program information about careers in this area.
Hey, in Canada, Career Month is happening in November as well. So we are going to be relaunching our contact360.ca website. Go there to check out our employability program for resources to get ready for you to apply for jobs. And we're going to be launching our Relevance 2022 edition toward the end of November. So be sure to check that out.
And if you're interested in a career in hairstyling or aesthetics, be sure to apply for our Hairstyling and Aesthetics Skills Bootcamp program. The deadline is fast approaching on Tuesday, November 9th. Go to Student Services or check out our website for more details.
And on top of all this great stuff that's happening in November, it's also Financial Literacy Month across Canada. We're going to be hosting some webinars that you can take part in, including a couple that are happening in the evening, 75 ways to save on household expenses, and the investing basics. This is going to be the first in a series of investing workshops we're going to be doing, so you want to take part in that one. And we're also going to be hosting an event for classes to take part in, so teachers can sign up their classes and individuals can take part in this too on November 16th to learn about the psychology of spending with Gary Russin from the Credit Counseling Society.
And just a heads up, our Spotlight on Careers in December will look at careers in the tech industry. So be sure to stay tuned and check out our website for more information.
And if you want to stay up to date on all things SIEC related, which I know you do, check out all our social media accounts on the screen here and give us a follow.
We look forward to working with you.